Hi, I'm Danielle, and this is gel polish. I start with a base coat. I usually do 2 coats of base, and I cure for 30 seconds under a UV lamp between each coat. And also, I don't know why I'm not holding my hand like I normally do. I'm like in the middle of the air, painting without any support. It's just weird. I don't know why I did this. And I also had a bunch of cotton ball fuzz stuck to my nails before, so I didn't prep this time around very well. But even still, before you cure the gel polish, I suggest you clean up the edges and get that off of your skin before you bake, and it becomes hard, and then there's little lumps on the edges of your nails because you didn't clean up before you cured. Basically, this whole video, I just paint my nails in the air like this. I don't know if it was just the place I put the camera. I don't know. I don't suggest you painting your nails like this. It's easier if you lay your hand flat on a table and you pull away from you. Mostly like every other video I've ever done. Paint your nails like that. Do not paint your nails like this. Or actually, don't let me tell you what to do. Try it. Try painting your nails in the air like this and see, how difficult you could make it for yourself. So I did a lot of thin coats, and then I think this was the 3rd coat of the brown. With gel polish, I like to go pretty thin at first and then bulk up with at least 2 coats of the color to get a real good opaque look to the nail. So now I'm coming in with this top coat. I don't actually like this brand, and it says it's a no wipe top coat, but it definitely leaves a tacky dispersion layer of some kind. I usually put lotion on after my hands rather than the rubbing alcohol with this one. Something about the greasy lotion takes away the dispersion layer on this rather than the rubbing alcohol. And now we're all done. I really like this color combination. It reminds me of like middle school stationery sets or something. I don't know.